We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including Capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MAThlab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also
in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 6. The name of today's assignment is Exp22 Excel chapter 6 Cumulative Assessment Variation Delta Paint. And here is project description. We just increase its size and change its color. Okay, so we will discuss this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get 100% marks A grade. But before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment we have 6, 15, 16, 25 and 26. We have 26 questions in today's assignment. Okay, the last one is not graded one, in which we have to save, close and submit and get the result. So we have just 25 questions in graded part. It's quite big assignment. So let me start today's assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get E grade 100% marks. Remember that today assignment name is Exp22 Excel chapter 6 Cumulative Assessment of Variation and Delta Paint. Here is project description. So you are the production manager for Delta Paint, a regional manufacturing companies that specialize in customized paints. Your company sells paint by gallon, and you have the task for forecasting the best production blinds to maximize the profit and most effective utilities resources. So question number we have discussed project description till now. Project description is really helpful for everyone, so you have to read and you will get idea that what we have in today's assignment and how we have to solve that one. Now we are moving toward graded part. Steps to perform instructions. Then download and open the file named Exp22 Excel chapter 6 Cumulative Assessment Variation and Delta Paint Excel. Okay, that we have downloaded already from Pearson platform. Then grader has automatically added our name or last name in the beginning of the file name. So we have to open that we call a solution of file. So first part is done, and now we are moving toward next part. Create, appreciate, or arrange a name for total production cost B18. We have to create, appreciate, arrange for total production cost B18 and gross profit cell B21 by selection using values in a left column. Okay, so where is B18? First we have to write there B18. Okay, and then select both column A and column B, then simply formulas, create from selection, a left column, then simply press OK. Then next one is B21. Where is B21? This one. Select both one, then create from selection, left, then simply press OK. So when we click on this one, yeah, it is showing that gross profit is name. Then when we click on this one, this is showing total production cost, the name. Okay, So question number 2 is done and we got 3 marks from there. In question number 2, we have to create, appreciate, arrange names for total production cost B18 and gross profit cell B21 by selection using the values in the left column. So question number 3 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Added the existing name, arrange, employee or wages to employ hourly wages 2021. Now we have to add an existing arrange name. Okay. So for that we have to click on name manager, that is in formulas, and we have to add it employee hourly wage. This one, select this one, edit. Then there we have to in hourly wages 2021 as a name. So we just copy this name from here, then simply press OK. And here is one note for Mac user. Okay, this one, Mac user in define dialog box, add the new name arrange, then delete original one. Okay, so but we are a window user, we didn't follow this note, but a Mac user have to follow this note for this question. Okay, so after solving question number 3 we got 3 marks, and in question number 3 we have to edit the existing name arrange employee hourly wage to hourly underscore wage 2021. So question number 3 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Use a newly created arrange a name to create formula to calculate a net profit in a cell B22. Okay, now we have to create a range name to create formula to calculate a net profit in cell B22. Where is a cell B22? Here is cell B22. Here we have to create formula. So we write equal sign. Net profit is equal to gross profit minus a total production. Where is gross profit? This one. Then minus production cost. Yeah, total production cost. This one. Okay, then simply press enter and we get the answer. So question number 4 is done. After solving question number 4 we have earned 4 marks from there. In question number 4 we have to use a newly created arrange names to create a formula to calculate a net profit in cell B22. Net profit is equal to gross profit minus total production cost. We have applied the formula and we get this result in cell B22, this one. Okay, and now you may see we have used orange names. Okay, not cell. So question number 4 is done and we have earned 4 marks from there. Moving toward question number 5. Create a new worksheet, name label name, arrange names. Now we have to create a new worksheet, this one, and name arrange name. Okay, names. Then paste the newly created arrange name information in cell E1. Okay, where is E1? Here is E1. We have to first we have to click on using formula and there is paste option. Simply press paste the list. Then in next part we have to resize the columns as needed for proper display. Now we have to resize both columns, this one, this one, and we have earned 5 marks from there. So in question number 5 we have to create a new worksheet, a label range names, then paste newly created or range name information in cell E1, then resize column as needed for proper display. So question number 5 is done and we have earned 5 marks from there. Okay, now moving toward question number 6. On the forecast sheet, okay, now we have to move toward forecast sheet here. start cell E3. Where is E3? Okay. Complete the C substitution values are ranging from 10 to 200. Increment of 10 grillons. Okay, we have to start from 10 and increment of 10 grillion mean we have to provide 10 there, then simply select both one, then drag till there when we got 200. Yes. So this part is done. Then vertically down to column E. Yes, we have done and we got 200 at last. Okay, here. You may see here. Okay. So question number 6 is done and we have earned 2 marks from there. In question number 6 on we have to move toward for cost sheet again, then start in cell E3, complete the series of substitution value ranging from 10 to 200 and increment of 10 gradients vertically down column E. We have solved question number 6 and we have earned 2 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 7. Enter references on total production cost, gross profit and net profit cells in correct location F2, G2, H2 respectively. Okay, for one variable data table. Now we have to in all these. First we have to enter total production. Here we have to enter total production equal and where is total production? Here is total production cost. Okay, then we have to in gross profit. Next we have to in gross profit. Where is gross profit? We have to in gross profit. This one, press enter. Okay, then we have to in net profit equal and where is net profit? Okay, this one is net profit. Press enter and we get the result. Yes. So question number 7 is done. In question number 7 we have to enter the references to the total production cost, then gross profit and in loss net profit in the correct location F2, G2, H2 respectively. For one variable data table use a range names where it indicated and we have earned 3 marks from there. Okay, so question number 7 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 8. Complete the one variable data table in the range E2 to H22. E2 to H. First we have to select the range E2 to H22. We have to complete then using B4 as column input. As you know that whenever we have to fill one variable data table, so we have to need one value, mean column input value. Okay, so for call input value we have to use a cell B4. Okay, so now we have to fill this data. Simply press on data, then here is a data table. Now it's one variable, so we have to in column input what range we have to in B4 for call. Okay, now simply press OK, so that will be filled. Yes. Then format the result with accounting number format with 2 decimal place. Now we have to format the result. This one is result. Okay, we have to select the string. Now format the result with accounting number format with 2 decimal place. So question number 8 is done and we have earned 5 marks from there. Okay, so same way we will solve question number 9 where we have to apply custom number format to make formulas reference appear as descriptive columns. Okay, headings. So in F2 total cost, in G2 gross profit, in H2 net profit, then bold and center the headings and substitution values. So in this way we will solve question number 9 and we will earn 9 marks from 3 marks from there. So in question number 10, we have to copy the number of kilns production substitution values from one variable data table and paste that in the range of E26, and we will earn 4 marks from there. So you may see that almost half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. In today's video we have discussed Exp22 Excel chapter 6 cumulative assessment variation delta paint. Instead we just discussed project description. After discussing description, then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1. Then we move toward question number 2 and we have solved question number 2 and we have earned 3 marks from there. Then we move toward question number 3 and we have solved question number 3 and we have earned 3 marks from there. Then 4. Okay, in question number 4 we have to move towards cell B22 and where we have to find net profit, that is equal to gross profit minus total cost, production cost, and we have earned 4 marks from there. Then we move toward question number 5 where we have to create a new worksheet labeled a range name and we have to paste newly created range name information in cell A1, then resize column as needed for proper to display. Then in question number 6 we have to again move toward for cost sheet, then start in cell E3 we have to complete the series of substitution value ranging from 10 to 200, increment of 10 gallons vertically down in column E and earn 2 marks from there. Then same way we have solved question number 7, 8, 9 and 10. So almost half of assignment is done and discussed by me in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Remember that your result will be 100%. File will be ready in next 30 minutes and price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. But remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable. Result will be 100% and file will be ready in next 30 minutes. So remember that we have solved Exp22 Excel chapter 6 cumulative assessment variation delta paint. Almost half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.